spacious 3-bedroom, potential 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on a desirable corner lot in Larchmont. This classic center hall Colonial has been lovingly maintained by one family for over 60 years and is ready to be restored to its glory days. The first floor features an expansive living room with a gas fireplace, a large formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, and a versatile library/bar/flex room. A sunroom with sliding glass doors and screens adds even more space to enjoy. Original hardwood floors, high ceilings, and abundant natural light blend charm with functionality. The property also boasts mature landscaping and a bonus garage apartment over the detached 2-car garage, conveniently located near Larchmont Elementary and St. Patrick Catholic School. Live-in as is and update over time. Pre-list home inspection available. Don't miss this chance to make it your own in one of the area's most desirable neighborhoods. November 27, 2024.